Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the form, now connect it. First, set up a Notion database with properties that match each form question. Make an integration and copy its token and the database ID. Next, choose your path. Use an automation platform like Zapier or Make for a simple flow, or pick Google Apps Script plus the Notion API if you want granular control. Once done, start a new automation and select Google Forms as the trigger so responses will flow. Now you map and transform data. In your automation, link each Google Form question to the corresponding Notion property and convert formats as needed. Dates must match ISO style, multi-selects need arrays. Make sure to set property types correctly in Notion so data lands cleanly. Add conditional steps. Skip empty submissions, deduplicate using an email or timestamp, and include error branches that log failed attempts. Once mapped, run sample. Finish by enabling the live integration and submitting a handful of real responses to verify full behavior. Watch the automation logs and Notion change history. If data looks off, pause the flow and adjust mappings or data transforms. Implement a backfill routine if you need past responses in Notion. Troubleshooting tip. If pages aren't created, verify the Notion integration token, database ID, and that property types match. Mismatched types or exceeded rate limits are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.